Flanders fields, the poppies blow. Between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place. And in the sky, the lark still bravely singing flies, scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead. Short days ago we lived, fell dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie where poppies blow in Flanders fields. Up our quarrel with the foe, to you from failing hands we throw. The torch be yours to hold it high. If ye break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep, though poppies grow. We are the dead. Short days ago we lived, fell dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie where poppies blow in Flanders fields. Where poppies blow in Flanders fields.